There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my studio. Today we're just going to do a little fun with leftovers. So we're going to play with the strainer. We're going to play with one of my new split cups. Love this. Silicone squishy, easy to clean. We're going to play with my strainer. We're going to spin. We're going to have a little fun to use up all these leftover paints I've got laid around. So let's go down to the canvas and see what's going to go on today. Okay, I've got a 10 by 10 canvas. It is taped and push pinned. And then I've also mounted it with some tape to my spinner so that it won't come flying off when I spin. I've got my strainer, I've got my split cup, and I've got a whole mess of these little bitty containers with a little bit of paint. So this one I know has some folk art, blue violet flash. It's also got some metallic purple. I think there's some dark cobalt violet in that. I have a little dioxazine purple I may mix in with that. I've got some emerald, Deco Art metallic emerald. I think this is leftover TLPC glass in the green family. I've got a little bit of titanium white. I've got a little bit of neon pink. Not sure these are all going to go in, but this is a mixture of Azo Orange and Liquitex Basics in the Cadmium Red Hue Light. I've got a tiny bit of Cadmium Red Dark. This is a batch of blues. This is metallic blue, and I can't remember what other blues, but there's a couple different blues in that one, mainly metallic blue. I've got some Deco Art 24 karat gold, and I've got some Rust-Oleum accents in the metallic champagne. So we're just going to have some fun. We're just going to throw a batch of colors into the split cup. We're going to put the strainer on, and we're just going to see what happens. So we're going to start by picking a color from the pile and just filling one. So this is, I think, Sea Glass from TLP. That is one full split cup, people. All right. All right, let me put these all off to the side. All right, cool. All right, let me pick that up a second. Put that to the side. I'm going to give us a little puddle of this gold right in the middle. Bit. Actually, I may base coat this whole thing. Alright, that's good. I'm just going to throw that in. That's pretty good. All right. All right, and I'm just going to pour into the center of this while slowly spinning. And we'll see what happens. help it. Ooh, came off his little feet. Not going to be even. His little feet under it. Just give it a little spin to help it go around a bit. Oh wow, that's looking pretty cool. It's not coming out quite evenly. I'm gonna put my gloves on now because it's starting to get messy here. I put my gloves on earlier. So we're already going off on one side. Give it another spin or two to try and empty out that center before I pull it.
You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light. Just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark.
Alright, I'm going to take this out. Twist a bit. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's go this. That's really looking cool. The big air bubble right in this. Alright, I'm going to spin it a little more because I still have two corners. And I haven't decided to quite go for me yet. Let's see if we can get those guys. Way too long. And because if you might miss it, you're stronger than the others think. And because if you might miss it, go ahead and shine, darling, go ahead and shine. So what I want to stretch out is this inside part here where you're seeing the extra lines coming out. That came out pretty cool. All right, I'm going to clean this up a bit. Fix up some of these corners. And then I'll bring you down for a closer look. Hold on. Okay, we have the wet results and I'm pretty happy with this one. I have a more centered shape to my pour. I definitely have sort of a coming out and getting bigger look to it there. I have the bright green really showing on that side, whereas in this side it's that purple lines and all the gold cells. Lighter green on this side, the darker green on that side, and the center looks pretty cool. I'm liking the center. I may play with the center a wee bit, but otherwise I'm liking it. So I will show you it when it's dry. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate your presence. Okay, we have the dried results for this one, and I'm really happy with how it came out in the long run. I'm loving this center section. It is just awesome. We have the bright top half section where you're really seeing that emerald green shine out with the white, and down in the lower section you're seeing more of the purple and it's a bit darker, but in general really liking this. There are a lot of colors in here that you don't even see really, but I'm not unhappy with that fact. Great use of my leftovers, and I'm loving that center. Okay guys, that's that one. Please leave me a thumbs up and a comment. Subscribe to my channel. and hit that notification bell to see more videos. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a wonderful day.